Spring is in the air, the winter has gone by. Let's get out and enjoy something, huh? Welcome back. Today we're going to create the Aperol Spritz. It's a nice, refreshing cocktail to help you get into the spring season. To do this, we need something lighter, more effervescent, not as rich as you may have had as last month or around the holidays, but something to help you enjoy, especially during, say, a brunch with friends. I've had this before. It's a very nice cocktail. It utilizes Aperol, which is similar to Campari, in fact made by Campari, but it's not as bitter. It's more fruity in contrast. So it's a lot more approachable for anyone that's wanting to worry about aperitifs. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to make this in a Collins glass. Reason being is I don't have wine glasses to put ice in. Also, use a Collins spear. I need Aperol. As I said, it's a less bitter aperitif than Campari. And I need 2 ounces of Aperol. And now I need 3 ounces of Prosecco. Brew Prosecco or any sort of Prosecco is fine. This is like a sparkling wine. Beautiful. And now I'm just going to do club soda just off the ice to top. My slice of an orange wheel, slice it in half, fix that like so. And now a straw. Right on in. And this is an Aperol Spritz. Cheers. That's nice. It reminds me, actually, of the Americano in how effervescent it is. It has a little bit of bitterness, but it's nowhere near as bracing as having something with Campari in it. It's a tasty cocktail, nice, refreshing, relaxing, effervescent. Something that helps you think of the warmer months to come, and is a very good cocktail, I have to say. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, aside from, well, this knife, which is from a knife set, check the links down below. They are Amazon affiliate links, which means that if you click a link, make a purchase of that item, I receive a bit of the kickback. Thank you in advance. Until next time, thank you for watching. I'll be back real soon with another cocktail, and this has been The Beginner's Bar.